guys, we're here for another video and we're going to be playing with butter. No, I'm just joking. We're going to be playing with slime. So, let's do it. And it looks like this. I've been playing with it. So, here's the slime. You like my jacket? It's nice, isn't it? Oops. Sorry, guys. Ah! Oh no! Guys, if you don't mind if you stay there, because I'm just going to be washing my hands. I'm going to be as quick as possible. Okay, here. I'm here. It's just falling down. So, slightly can do it. Stop. Need this to stop doing stuff. Oh, good angle. So, here we are with the slime. So guys, this is what I normally do. I just put my fingers through it and make these holes. Then do it at the back and it makes this. Then flip it at the other side, then it makes this again. Then it gets skinnier and skinnier. Oh my gosh! Guys, this happens all the time. I've been trying to get this good angle. So here's the slime I was talking about. I went to my friend's party yesterday and this is where I got it. She had a slime party. It was my friend. She's a girl, but has a boy that I'm a friend to. Or J&J. So, I normally like the slime because we made it out of scratch. So like, I'm saying, wait, stay there. Let me move my chair back a little bit. I'm saying that I made it out of scratch. So, this is how I made it. They didn't put water, so they started with glue. And they put activator, then they put some paint, then foam balls, and what else? That was it. Then we put it in our cup. We had a cup, and we got a spoon, a plastic spoon and a plastic cup. Then we mixed it. And my mom helped me do it. It's the second day when I was at that party. I got on that party yesterday and I'm going to their house today. So, just if you can comment, just say if you like slime or not. I know it's kind of bright, but it's kind of like a greenish colour. Let me turn off the lights. you see this without the lights too? Let's go. That was weird. I poked you down, guys. I just here is it. So here we are. This is what it actually looks like. Yeah, I can see that, but it's okay. This right there. You can see the pink thing, but it's okay. So, this is what actually it looks like. I know you can't see it that much. It's like a lighter green. No, it's actually like a dark green because I can see it's a dark green, but that's like a light green. So, guys, just tell me what you like about it. There's the foam balls, the balls and stuff. So, here it is, the slime. So, guys, yeah, I said this once, I'm going to say it again. Just go to the comments if you can and set a comment. Why do you like it? Because I kind of like it. And also, do not forget to smash that like button, or else it will change a colour. So it's like grey now. If you press it, it will change into blue. And even tap the bell symbol and hit that red subscribe button. So I hope you had a nice day. And peace out, bros. Peace.